Welcome to Qi Gong, the 5 postures, crane style. Right fist closed, left palm open, bow. Your left leg comes out and your feet are wider than hip distance. You've got a bend in your legs with your weight for your heels. Back straight, shoulders relaxed. Imagine you've got a thread pulling your head up so you feel your spine is straight. But you're slightly in a sitting position. Make sure you don't tilt your hips backwards, keep them nice and straight. And then breathing in through your nose into your lower dantian, the area below your belly button, your tummy. Out through your mouth. The intention is the color red and grounding, sending your roots deep down out your feet into the core of the earth. Deep breathing and grounding. Color red. Step your left leg in, slap your sides. Second posture, left leg comes out. Same stance, but the arms come round this time as though you're hugging a tree. In a perfect circle, shoulders are relaxed. Back is straight. Weight is through the heels, slight bend at the knee. And deep breathing in through your nose into your lower dantian, out through your mouth, and sending that out breath down your arms, through your palms, into your heart. The intention is love and compassion. Color is green. Breathing in through the nose, into the lower dantian. Breathing out through the mouth as you send the energy round through your hands, through your palms. Tension of love and compassion. Left leg comes in, slap your sides, look left. Third posture, same again with the feet. Reaching up this time, so the hands are directly above the head. And again, that beautiful circle. Weight is through the heels, you've got a slight bend at the knees. But your back is straight. This one, be very careful not to tilt your hips back. So really just try and keep that lower back straight rather than curved outwards. Deep breathing in through your nose into your lower dantian, out through your mouth, through your arms, through your hands, above your head, with the intention of connecting with the heavens, the universe, and our higher self. Color is purple. Sit together. Fourth posture, left leg comes out, rub your hands, get that energy flowing, and breathing up as you bring your arms round to the side and then relax them. So again, weight through the heels, slight bend at the legs, back straight, shoulders relaxed. Deep breathing in through the nose, into the lower dantian, out through the mouth, sending it down the arms, through the hands, and around the body. The intention is the color blue, and it represents freedom, communication, our lungs and our thyroid, and also protection. So imagining you've got a blue ball of protective light all around you. And you can allow your body to relax as though it's almost being held in water. Left leg comes in, look left, slap your sides. Left leg comes out, fifth posture. Bringing the arms round, and similar to the first one, but this time the thumbs are out from the palms and they're pointing towards each other. You're making more of like a down-facing triangle. Hands are in front of your lower dantian area. There's a space. And this time our intention is orange, and we're breathing in all that energy and sending it to our lower dantian, our energy store, just to give ourselves a power up. And the heart of our spirit guide also lives within our gut, so we're also sending love and gratitude to them. Take off the energy, and then just to finish, bring your hands back to lower dantian, do 3 deep breaths, in through the nose, out through the mouth, feeling centered and grounded in your energy center. Brilliant. Right fist closed, left palm open, bow. Well done! You did the 5 postures. Have a great day.